Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel, Airsoft and Scale Models. This time I'm going to present you a Cyma tactical AK74. As you can see, this is a full metal Airsoft replica, and it does have the handle, it's ABS, the foregrip is ABS, and the handle of the foregrip is ABS as well. It's a foldable stock as well. You can see it's like a metal skeleton foldable stock, which is very, very beautiful. And it doesn't have not much of rattling. The gun has the classical AK74 fire flashing. I add for this one Picatinny rail system on a dust cover, so I could fit a red dot scope. The handle is quite nice, the foregrip handle is quite nice. I'm happy with it. The foldable stock, the skeleton one, it's quite a very, very nice one. It's stiff, no noise. The gun has no rattling. I'm saying it again. I am very amazed with this one, and it's having a very nice view. I have a waffle magazine, mid cap, and the classical AK74 high cap magazines. They both fit very, very nice. It's no movement and no rattling, and the gun looks super realistic. The system for the classical BB 6mm BB magazines for AKs, as all the other ones, is like a tiny hatch. You can fill it up with BBs, and a feeding system which is on a spring, operated on a spring. Again, the red dot side optical, it's a little bit of a beauty. It does give you a little bit of a help, which is all you need when you're playing skirmish, especially with lands. Altogether, overall, this Cyma AK74 is a real beauty. Thank you guys again. Hope you enjoyed my video, and we'll see you next time. Next, at the end of this video, you're going to have a couple of snapshots. Thanks again, and see you soon.